Hey guys, Cheri here from The Watering Mouth, giving you the recipes and mindset to eat to live and love it for good. In a fun new little background landscape here, I'm out in the desert taking advantage of a little bit of quiet time. And we have some fun recipes for you today. These are desserts, some Nutritarian puddings based on sweet potatoes. We got 3 different varieties. Let me show you how we're going to make them. So we're going to start with Japanese sweet potatoes. You can use Hana yams or Jersey sweets. These are sturdier varieties of sweet potatoes and they make a nice pudding consistency. We're going to wrap the potatoes in parchment paper and bake in the oven. We allow the potatoes to cool thoroughly and then we peel them. We're using a food processor, but a high-powered blender would work as well. We're going to make a base of the potatoes and then add some dates. We use the date soaking liquid for creating the correct consistency. So we're going to make a vanilla pudding by removing 1/3 of the base and adding vanilla powder. Then we're going to try a lime pudding with lime juice and lime zest. And for our last variety, we'll add a few more potatoes because we actually ran out of the base. We're going to create a chocolate pudding. So cocoa powder goes in. You can substitute carob powder if you like. I really love carob powder. For a boost of flavor, we use some instant coffee powder if you like. This is optional though. Another medjool date for sweetness, and we're going to blend all that up and we're done. Top your pudding with fruit if you like, and enjoy experimenting to see which pudding flavor you like the best, and make sure you let us know. Okay, I hope you like that. Super easy, super simple. I want to know what's your favorite. So give these a try. Let us know down below in the comments which one you like the most or which one sounds the best. If you've tried them, let us know. And do you have any other sweet potato recipes that you really love, some type of a dessert, something like that? Let us know in the comments down below as well. And like always, if you want the recipes here, the exact measurements, you just sign up for the cheat sheets at thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets. When you sign up there, you'll get a web address and you'll be able to access any of our previous cheat sheets from before, or current cheat sheets, or future cheat sheets. Lots of different recipes in there. So make sure you sign up there. That's all I have for you today. Hope you love this one. Have a great day. The desert says hello, and I say hello. I hope you're doing well. See you in the next video. Bye.